Welcome to mathematics class standard 6 chapter 10, which is about percentage. So let us begin the topic by starting by defining percentage. So percent means per 100 or out of 100. So by a certain percent we mean that many hundredth. Therefore x percent means x hundredth denoted by x percentage. For example, 8% means 8 out of 100 equals to 8 by 100 equals to 8 hundredths. 75% means 75 out of 100 is equal to 75 by 100 is equal to 75 hundredths. Now converting a percentage into a fraction or decimal or ratio. Working rules. For converting a percentage into a fraction, the percentage numeral is divided by 100. For example, 6% is equal to 6 by 100, 23% 23 by 100, 95% 95 by 100. The above fraction may be converted into decimal or ratio as desired. For example, 6% is equal to 6 by 100 equals to 0.06. There are 2 0 in the denominator of 100. There are 2 0 in 100, which is the denominator. So after decimal point there are 2 digits 0 and 6. 6% is equal to 6 by 100, that equals to 1. By simplification we get 3 by 50, which is equal to 3:50. Express the following as fraction. 36%, 36 by 100. By simplifying we get 9 by 25. 5.6%, 5.6 by 100 is equal to 556 by 1000. And we simplify it and I get 7 by 125. Express each of the following as a decimal. 43%, 43 by 100, that is 0.43. There are in the denominator is 100, means the denominator there are 2 0 with 1, which is the denominator. So we put decimal places after 2 digits from the right. So 3, 4, then put decimal point and it becomes 0.43. 7.5% is equal to 7.5 by 100. We remove decimal point and becomes 75 by 1000. There are 3 0 in the denominator with 1. 1000 is the denominator. In 1000 there are 3 zeros. So after 3 decimal place we put this decimal point from the right. So 5 7, there is deficiency of 1 digit, so put 0 on the left of 7 and then put decimal point. It becomes 0.075. Express 45% as a ratio. We have 45% is equal to 45 by 100. Simplify dividing 45 by 100 by 5 we get 9 by 20. Now converted into ratio it becomes 9:20. We have now converting a fraction or decimal into percentage. Rule 1. For converting a fraction or decimal into percentage, multiply it by 100. Convert each of the following fraction into percentage. 8 by 25. Now convert the fraction 8 by 25 into percentage. So to convert it into percentage, multiply it by 100. So 8 by 25 into 100 percentage. 25 1 25, 25 4 100. So 8 into 4, 32 percentage. 6 by 1 is equal to 6 into 100, that is 600 percentage. Convert each of the following decimal into percentage. 0.3 is equal to 0.3 into 100%. So you see 0.3 is multiplied by 100, so there are 2 in 100. So decimal place shift towards right by 2 digits, by 2 places. So there is 3 and put 1 0 to the right of 3, it becomes 30. So 30%, 0.05, 0.05 into 100. So the decimal points moves towards right by 2 places and it becomes 5%. So exercise 10a is based upon the fact we studied conversion of decimal into percentage, conversion of fraction into decimal, conversion of fraction into decimal, conversion of percentage into decimal, conversion of percentage into ratio, etc. About all these things we discussed, what we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about finding a percentage of a given quantity. Finding a percentage of a given quantity. Rule 1. To find a percentage of a given quantity, change the percentage into a fraction and multiply the given quantity. For example, 26% of 130. So 26% of rupees 130 of means into. So rupees 130 into 26% means 25 by 100. On simplifying, we get rupees 169 by 5. Now converted into decimal, we get rupees 33.80. 7 whole 1 by 2% of rupees 560. 7 whole 1 by 2 means 15 by 2. Of means into. So 560 into 5 by 2. 15 by 2 into 1 by 100. So it is rupees 42. Writing one quantity as percentage of other. While comparing two quantities, they must be of the same kind and in same unit. Formula. Remember this formula. Required percentage is equal to first quantity by second quantity into 100 percentage. What percent is 12 of 80? What percent is 12 of 80? So required percent is equal to 12 by 80. First quantity is 12, second quantity is 80. So first quantity by second quantity, 12 by 80 into 100. That is 15%. Express 35 paisa as a percentage of rupees 2.50. So first convert the rupees into paisa. So rupees 2.5, 2 rupees 50 paisa is equal to 2.50 into 100. That is 250 paisa. Now required percentage 35 paisa is the first quantity, 250 paisa is the second quantity. So first quantity by second quantity into 100. 35 into 250 into 100, that gives 14%. 24 second as a percentage of 3 minute. Here first quantity is in second, second quantity is in minute. So convert the minute into second. First and second quantity should be in same unit. So convert minute into second. So 3 minute is equal to 3 into 60. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 3 minute is equal to 3 into 60 seconds. That is 180 seconds. So required percentage first quantity by second quantity. First quantity is to 24 seconds by second quantity is 180 seconds into 100. So 24 by 180 into 100, that gives 40 by 3%, 31 by 3%. What percent is 9 meter 10 centimeter of 15 meter? Now convert the two quantities into centimeter. So 9 meter 10 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 9 meter is equal to 9 into 100 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. That is 910 centimeter. 65 meter is equal to 65 into 100 centimeter. That is 6500 centimeter. Now required percentage first quantity by second quantity into 100. First quantity is 910 by second quantity 6500 into 100. that gives 14%. What percent is 1 minute 48 second of 1 hour? Now convert the 1 minute and 48 second into second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second plus 48 second. 60, so 1 minute 48 second is equal to 60 plus 48 second, that is 108 second. 1 hour is equal to 16 to 60 second, because 1 minute is equal to 60 second and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 into 60, that is 3600 second. The required percentage, first quantity by second quantity into 100. First quantity 108 by second quantity 3600 into 100, that is 3%. What is the number whose 16% is 76? 16% of the required number is 76. So 16%. 16 into 100, 16 by 100 into required number is equal to 76. Therefore, required number is equal to 76 into 100 by 16. And this gives 475. So, this is exercise B, that based upon the finding the value of percentage value of a given number and conversion of finding percentage of a given quantity, writing one quantity as percentage of the other. On these two concepts, the exercise 2B is based upon. Now let us see some numerical problems or applications of percentage. There are 1650 pencils and pupils in a school. Of them 20% are girls. How many girls are there in the school? How many are boys? Number of girls in the school, 20% of 1650, that is 20 by 100 into 1650, that is 1650 into 12 by 100 is equal to, on simplifying we get 330. A man earns rupees 12,000 per month. He spends 80% of his earning and rest he saves. How much does he save every month? You see, monthly income of the man 12,000. Percentage of expenditure 85%, means 85% of his annual income. So percentage of saving 100 minus 85%, that is 15%. 15% of his income. So saving is equal to 15% of his total income. 15% of rupees 12,000. So 15 by 100 of 12,000, that is 15 by 100 into 12,000, that gives 1,800. Hence, the man saves rupees 1,800 per month. The price of an electric fan was rupees 3,250. Now there is an increase of 8% in its price. What is the increased price of the fan? Original price of the fan rupees 3,250. Increase in its price 8% of rupees 3,250. So let us find its 8%. 3,250 into 8 by 100, that is rupees 260. Hence, increased price is equal to original price plus increase in price, rupees 3,250 plus 260, that gives, which is equal to 3,510. Hence, the increased price of the fan is 3,510. The price of onion has been reduced from rupees 35 per kilogram to rupees 31.50 per kilogram. Find the reduction percent in its price. Original price per bag rupees 35. Reduced price per kilogram rupees 31.50. So decrease in price per kilogram 35 rupees 35 minus 31.50 is equal to rupees 3.50. Reduction percentage, decrease in price by original price into 100. This is the formula, remember it. Reduction percentage is equal to decrease in price by original price into 100. So decrease percentage, decrease in price 3.50 by 35 into 100 percentage, which is equal to 10%. A metal contains 56% tin, 20% zinc, and the rest is brass. Find the quantity of brass in 75 gram of this metal. Okay, percentage of tin 56%, percentage of zinc 20%, percentage of tin and zinc 56 plus 20%, that is 76%. Percentage of brass is equal to 100 minus 76%, which is equal to 24%. Now quantity of brass in 750 gram of the metal, 24% of 750 gram, 24 by 100 into 750 gram, that is 750 into 24 by 100 gram is equal to 180 gram. Hence 750 gram of metal contains 180 gram of brass. So exercise 10C of the chapter percentage is about the numerical applications of percentage. So you try to solve all these problems. If you find any difficulty, you post your problems in the group. I will help you in solving the problem. So thank you.